Just have a question about your committee, Chairman. I wanted to ask you about the reportedly over 4 million legal immigrants waiting for USCIS applications to be processed. Is your committee working to require the Obama administration to process those before they grant any legal status under the Executive Action Program to illegal immigrants?
Yeah. Well, I can tell you our committee its top priority is looking at the immigration issue, starting with border security. We held our 6th hearing. I think we've had about 3 different roundtables, really trying to lay out, again, first step in solving any problem, admit you have one, which first requires laying out the reality, properly defining the problem. This is an incredibly complex issue. Specifically what you're talking about, puts a finger on a big part of the problem. Because we have so many illegal immigrants, because we have a president that knows no constitutional constraints, putting in front of legal immigrants, processing benefits and those types of things for illegal immigrants, just understand how grossly unfair that is. So, certainly what I've been trying to do, and when we had Secretary Jay Johnson in front of our committee, this administration has made it pretty known that they're not going to consider any immigration reform unless it's comprehensive. Secretary Johnson said that, admitted during testimony, that we will not have situational awareness, 100% situational awareness, by the end of this president's term. So, okay, I understand the reality situation. I know how complex it is, but based on that reality, would you at least then work with us on a step-by-step basis? I come from a manufacturing background. I understand about continuous improvement. I'll take the step-by-step improvement in our process. That'd be a really good first step. Let's process legal immigrants first. It's only fair to do so. But again, we have very little control other than holding hearings, highlighting the issue. Again, you've done a very good job of highlighting how grossly unfair that is, to create the political pressure to really force the administration to respond. But that's how we try and use our committee is, and I've told staff that too, that the objective of every committee hearing is to get the people on the dais, hopefully the members of the audience, maybe even administration witnesses, to take the first step in solving a problem, which is admit you have it by laying out those realities.